Aloha and welcome to this instructional video brought to you by Staff Medical. This basic instructional video is designed to help patients and their families get familiar with the proper use of their home suction machine, sometimes referred to as the Aspirator. In this video, we'll be covering operations, cleaning, and troubleshooting of your suction machine. Before we begin, please read and understand the safety precautions outlined in the patient packet provided upon delivery. Operation and setup. Your model may appear different, but all of our devices function in a similar way. To start, place the machine on a flat surface near the patient. Plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Next, let's go over how to set up the canister and tubing. Begin by closing the canister lid securely, and also ensuring to securely close the large drain tab and any extra ports that will not be used. Connect the short tubing from the machine to the port labeled suction or vacuum on the canister lid. Use the long universal tubing and connect this to the port label patient on the canister lid. Then attach the other end of this tubing to the suction catheter or young cover. Once everything is connected, the machine is ready to use. Turn on the machine using the power switch, which you'll find on the front or side of the unit, oftentimes located near the power cord connection of your device. To adjust the suction strength, use the knob located below the vacuum gauge. Turn the knob clockwise to increase suction or counterclockwise to decrease. Follow your healthcare provider's instructions for the appropriate setting. Once everything is set up, you can perform a simple suction test using a small canister of water. Place the end of the catheter into the water and observe the machine pulling fluid into the canister. This is an indication that the machine and connections are working properly. Part 2, cleaning. Cleaning is a simple but important process to ensure safety and prevent clogs. After each use, rinse the tubing and suction instruments by suctioning clean water through the tubing to prevent secretion from drying inside. Daily wash all parts, canister tubing and suction instruments, with warm, soapy water. Do not include the canister lid in this process, as it could damage the filter on the lid. For weekly disinfections, soak the canister and suction instruments in a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water for 30 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with tap water and let them air dry. Do not include the lid of the canister in this process, as it could damage the filter on the lid. Part 3, troubleshooting. It's important to note that the filter on the lid must never get wet. This will cause the suction unit not to suction properly. If liquid has been put through the filter, it will not be able to be reused and you must use a new lid. Finally, let's go over some other basic troubleshooting tips. First, check the suction pump. Ensure that the power is on and the regulator knob is set to its maximum. If the suction pressure is low, adjust it and recheck. Next, inspect the canister. Make sure it's not cracked and confirm that the lid is secure and no ports are closed. A loose lid or open port can cause a loss of suction. And lastly, double check the tubing setup. Ensure the tubing from the machine is connected to the canister. And finally, that the patient tubing is connected securely to the canister. Safety is our top priority at Staff Medical, and remember to refer to the sheets provided by Staff Medical for safety, cleaning, and disinfecting. Make sure and follow those instructions for proper usage and maintenance. If you have any questions, experience issues, contact us right away. We are here to support you in managing your health and ensuring your equipment operates smoothly. If you're interested in our other home medical equipment instructional videos, make sure to look in our video library. Mahalo.